everyone, I'm just going to show you quickly how to make black and white speckled clay. I found this black sand at my local craft store. You can find it in either the wedding aisle or by the glitter or sometimes even by the clay at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to sprinkle it on some white Primo clay. You can use souffle as well or another brand that you like. And I kind of fold it over on itself and run it through the pasta machine like this. Now I'm just going to incorporate the sand into it a few times and then add some more sand. I do probably a tablespoon of sand in the whole piece that I have here. Now I kind of fold it back up on itself again and run it through like I did before. And it's starting to look how I want it to. Here we go. Fold it over, and I pick up all the sand like that. And here's what it looks like when it's finished. I love using this as a background for different slabs or just on its own. It's a really beautiful look and texture, and you can even add different colored sands if you would like. And I know some people use black pepper instead of sand, but to me that just seems like it would be more expensive, so I stick with the sand. If you'd like to see an earring tutorial using this background, stay tuned.